Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to explain you how to place orders using TradingView webhook. Okay, so here first of all enable TradingView broadcast, and here click the secret code. Here you see the code for Nifty, and here I select the strike. Sorry, I will select the automatically select the strike that I selected in my scalper. Okay, CE, no sorry, PE 10 lots. Okay, generate. So it is copied to the clipboard, and right click and I'm selecting 25,000 P. Okay, I'm going to place order on this P when the price breaks touches this 24,982. Okay, right click, add alert. So when the price crossing up the level 24,928, I will place order. Message, another message section, you just paste the code that we just copied, and under notification you just check the webhook URL and insert this URL. Okay, just create. So the order get placed when the price breaks this level. Okay, 24,928. Once the order is placed, I will place my exit order at this price. Okay, 24,934. So here right click, add alert. Okay, alert is triggered. You see the order is exited. Okay, order got placed here. Let's place an XL using the same TradingView. Okay, here I will fix my XL, add alert, under message section. Under the side option, you instead of buy you enter exit. Okay, and under settings, crossing up 24,940. Okay, great. Now it will exit the order once the price touches this level 24,940. You can also set the target using the same TradingView webhook. Okay, right click, add alert, closing down 24,910, instead of buy enter exit. Okay, okay, the order is exited, I think, right? So the order got exited, our stop loss got triggered. Okay, this is how to place orders using the price level and TradingView. Okay, now I will add supertrend indicator, and here I will show you how to place order when the price breaks the supertrend. Okay, so here click here and add alert on supertrend, and condition price crossing down supertrend. Okay, and the price breaks the supertrend, I have placed P order. Okay, in the message section you just copy the code and notification webhook URL. Okay, now we have added crossing down supertrend, we place order. Okay, now create. Okay, the order got placed. You see the PE order is placed. Keep me SL at this price. Exit. Okay. Okay, the position got exited. This is how to place target using TradingView webhook. Okay, and okay friends, I hope you all understand how to place orders using TradingView webhook, and if you have any queries, please let me know in comments. And this software is free till August 31, and you please download and check it at least once. You must have a TradingView premium subscription to place orders using webhook. Okay, thank you for watching.